Hello and welcome back to Direct Health and Fitness. Today's video is all about the best hip stretch that we've ever seen. The 90-90 hip stretch. We will be demonstrating the 90-90 hip stretch, including the internal and external aspects of the stretch to maximize its effectiveness. So let's dive right in. We'll start with an explanation of how to do the 90-90 stretch. Begin by sitting on the floor with one leg in a 90-degree angle in front of you and the other leg in a 90-degree angle behind you. Make sure that your front knee is directly above your ankle and your back knee is directly behind your hip. Your back shin should be parallel to the front of your mat, and your front shin should be parallel to the side of your mat. Place your hands on either side of your front leg. Lean forward, keeping your back straight, until you feel a stretch in your hip. This increases mobility with internal rotation on the front leg. Lean backwards until you feel a stretch in the back hip. This increases mobility with external rotation of the back leg. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds to 2 minutes forwards and backwards. Then switch sides. We strongly recommend that you incorporate the 90-90 hip stretch into your regimen to improve hip mobility and flexibility. It truly is the best hip stretch that we've used. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tutorials.